Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video it will not be an how to repair or trying to repair video, but actually I want to discuss about which type of coffee machine is better for you. And I decided to make this video because I had a lot of questions from you guys in the comment sections below and over the email, but also from my friends, based on the type of content that I make on this channel, and this is mainly repairing coffee machines and having experience with them. So therefore I decided to make this video and explain my knowledge for you. Maybe this will be helpful for you to make a conscious decision and a good decision which type of coffee machine would you prefer to buy. And now to discuss exactly of which type of coffee machines I want to touch point with is actually in this picture. So I don't have in front of me or available all these type of machines, but mainly we are discussing about either the compact coffee pod machine, the in the middle the bean to cup, how is it called, automatic coffee machines, or the barista style grinded coffee machines. So I will explain for each one of them what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons of using them. Yeah. Okay. So just to start directly, I have in front of me one of the pods coffee machine. In this case, is an espresso machine. So I will start with this one. So in this specific case, I think this is the cheapest alternative you can find, and the more comfortable alternative that you can find in case you are not a heavy coffee drinker. For example, if you have a smaller kitchen, you have to consider this will not take a lot of your countertop. Yeah. More than this, it's cheaper to buy this or even to own this, because you might find a Black Friday or a promotion from a capsule supplier, which a bundle, which if you buy a lot of pods, you might get the machine free. Now, from taste point of view, this is really subjective, and I would not want to get into the specifics. It's up to you, but it does the job done. Yeah, you can drink coffee, and it's cheaper. Now, from repairability point of view, these are coffee machines that are for, let's say, one use. When they broke, you toss it away. I know this is not sustainable, yeah, filling the landfills with this type of machines, but yeah, it's cheaper. So yeah, for this type of coffee machines, in case this break, you might be able to repair it at some point. You will not find spare parts for them. Maybe if we discuss about the pump or some heater element, yeah, you might find spare parts to repair, but other parts of this machine are not available for sale because they are mainly one use. Yeah. Usually they last you maybe 1, 2, 3, even 5 years, and this is fine. Yeah, the cost of owning this machine is well suited for you, but again, only if you are not a power drinker, yeah, coffee drinker. Yeah, because otherwise the supplier or the manufacturer doesn't make money from this type of machines. Actually, he's making money by selling you the pods. Yeah, in that pod there is let's say 20 grams of coffee, multiplied by the amounts of pods, you can imagine it's not the coffee that costs the most, it's actually the pod itself. And if you drink a lot of coffee, this will not become sustainable. But if you want something compact, if you want something to have on your countertop and not take a lot of space, no need for a lot of maintenance, then this is the way to go. Yeah. Now, if we are discussing about the bean to cup machines, these are more complex. We are talking about the one in the middle, yeah, here shown in the picture. These are more complex machines that need a lot of maintenance, but of course you have more versatility on the coffee itself. It depends on you, which type of coffee you are buying, which type of blends or whatever. So if you are a heavy drinker or more into coffee, this is the way to go. Of course, from repairability point of view, these are more complex. Yeah, it will take some maintenance, regular maintenance. You will have to descale it regularly, and maybe at some point go with the unit into a specialized service where they can change some parts. The parts are available, but it's more costly. It's costly to buy the unit itself, but it's also a little bit more costly to own it compared to these compact units. Again, this is more versatile because you can froth milk. It depends on the type of machines. It depends on the brand of machines. Some are better, some are worse. There's no best one, in my opinion. Some has some flaws. Some also have some their own pros. Yeah. For example, this is the type of machine that I'm currently using because it fits perfectly my way of drinking coffee. So it fits me, and I can tell you that I own this type of machine, also bean to cup, and also the espresso type of machines. Okay, now going to the last one, and this is the last on the right. This is the espresso type machine. You can find this type of machines from ranging price-wise from really cheap to really expensive. And in my opinion, everything is based on the brand. It's based on the blend of coffee. Usually these type of machines are preferred by people who want to taste the aroma of the coffee. They are really into coffee. Well, the downside of this type of machines is that in some cases will not take a lot of countertop from your counters, or a lot of space from your kitchen counter, because you might find something really small that does the job, but you need a separate grinder. Or if you buy from a separate coffee shop that grinds fresh coffee for you, take in consideration that this is an additional cost that you will have to take in consideration. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, this has a different way of working. The internal, from technical point of view, is similar between them, but it's more simpler. So it has one of these pumps that pushes the water through a special diffuser and blends the coffee, and basically that's it. If we take a look on the picture, you will see that there is a handle. You put the coffee inside of that cup, and that's it. But so I owned first, this was my first type of coffee machine, because I said I should get into coffee and feel the right taste of coffee. But what I ended up doing is, when I had a lot of people at my home everybody wanted a coffee. And in this situation, I ended up staying in the kitchen and always making coffee. The process of making one coffee ranged from 1 minute to maybe 2 minutes per cup. And this is not something that you would want if you are not a heavy drinker. Yeah. So take this into consideration. Also, take in consideration cost-wise, you will have to have a grinder if your machine doesn't have already a separate grinder in it. You will have to buy a separate grinder, which again will take some space from your countertop, and of course it will take more investment from your side. Yeah. Now, in conclusion, it's up to you. Yeah, based on what I told you, you can make a clear decision of which type of coffee machine it's best suitable for you. If you want more compact, if you are not a heavy drinker, 1 cup, 2 cup a day, that's perfect. This is perfect for you. It will be economical, it will be fine. When it's broken, you can toss it away, buy a new one, or make a deal and buy a bundle, have a lot of coffee and also the machine. If you think you have a lot of guests, usually you have a big house with a lot of members, yeah, then I would suggest to go with the middle one, which is the bean to cup. You will have the coffee tank here filled in with coffee maybe once a week, and have coffee always at the touch of a button. Also froth milk if you like cappuccino or latte. This is the best solution, but take in consideration that this will take a lot of space from your kitchen countertop, and it's a little bit pricey when you buy it, yeah, first hand. If we are discussing about the last one, if you opt for this one, just take in consideration you will need to grind your own coffee in case you don't buy the one with the grinder already. And yeah, it will have a bigger cycle time to make coffees every time you want to make a coffee. So take in consideration you will stay there and make a lot of coffees. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Also, I'm open for questions. Put them there. Let's start the discussion. I'm always willing to help with my knowledge. This is the aim of my channel. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much. Bye bye.